Hi guys, Gil at Camppatton Family Compound here. Sunny day, still cold. At least the sun's out, and I'm going to try to get some concrete work done today. So stick around and please don't laugh at me too hard. Okay, so I got this corner prepped now. Got it down where I can pour 4 inches of concrete and continue the patio on down to the corner there. Now I just got to get this all cleaned up over here on this side over here. That is the plan. Whether it works or not, we'll see. All depends on the sky and Mother Nature. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish digging the rest of this hair out and get it all cleaned up. The big problem over here, for some reason there's a layer of concrete that comes out right along here. It's not part of the foundation, but it goes down about 15 feet and then stops. So, and it's it doesn't allow for much room for cement work. jackhammer. This is all concrete over here. Yeah, I may need to break it off about along this line here, so I can pour concrete over it without it poking up through the concrete, because right now it's going to poke up. Got that taken care of. Got a bunch of dust on the lens. So now I gotta run that back up to Home Depot and then get the other stuff I need and get back down here. All right, see you in a minute. The next thing to do is to start setting up form boards to pour concrete, and then I can get some concrete in here. All the rain that comes off of that roof, all the rain, melting snow that comes off of that roof, won't be making a mud hole here. It'll be hitting the concrete and running down and on out into the field. Hi guys, so I cut some boards for my form board there. Got my stakes out, so I'm gonna stake it in, get it all leveled right, because I gotta adjust height and stuff on it so I don't have a steep slope going off and make it slippery in the winter time. So, stand by, we'll just watch it and see what happens. Okay, so I got it to the slope I want it, basically. Now you can see the gap under the board there. That's how low the dirt is. I need to get some rock and raise it up because I don't want to use more cement than I need to. It's a lot more expensive than plain rock and a lot harder to work. Okay, so got that kind of level, pretty much where it needs to be. Now we got to go mix some concrete over here. Well, I forgot to start it, but here we're going. Mix some cement. Five bags of 60-pound mix in the wheelbarrow. Now we're going to take it over and pour it. Okay guys, we got some storm clouds coming in. Temperature is dropping fast, so I had to cut this off. That's what I got done so far. Yeah, this is going to take me a while getting it done. But that was 10 bags of the 60-pound concrete. So 10, 20, 30. Yeah, it's going to take a couple pallet loads to get this done here. Unfortunately, I can't get a cement truck back in here. Okay, you can't get up in here to do it from that side. And this side over here, we got low cable and power lines coming in. So things got a little bit out of control. Been working on this. I think my last video, we had clouds coming in with temperatures dropping and a little bit of precipitation happened. That's what I just did. I just had done just the one square. Well, after that, I was able to get my daughter and her husband to help me out, and we did the next little strip. We continued from this piece right here on across, and then yesterday, and so we got that done, and then we used up the rest of the pallet of cement and put down about an inch and a half over the entire area because it was just taking too long to do this. So we got that done, and then on Saturday, and then yesterday, Saturday night I got another pallet of the cement mix, and yesterday we poured this all out. And even though I also was adding more Portland cement to each mix in the cement mixer to give it more strength, more cream and everything, it's still, because of the temperatures here, I was out here working on it until 9:30, 10 o'clock last night. Actually, as it was 10 o'clock, I came back out and I did used my big mag float on it, and tried to get, bring some more of the cream to the surface and knock the rock down. So yeah, I got it done then. And so what I did just now, let me lower this down so I can get it a little bit closer here to the so I can actually show you here. What I did is I washed off a bunch of the cream and stuff to expose the sand and small gravel in the mix here. That way, when it's all set up and done. See, I got more of it over here. See, I just exposed all this stuff here. So what that does is, instead of being a slippery surface, when it gets wet and stuff, it gives you some traction so you don't slip and fall down. So that's what I got done here. Let's look at it from the other direction here. Get out here where I'm not in the mud. So, yeah, it's kind of ugly, but that's what happens when you have, I can set it down here. That's what happens when you have really cold temperatures and you're using bag mix instead of from a truck. I couldn't get a truck in here because of the power lines hanging down so low. But right now for the winter, all I just got to do is just clean up all these boards, get everything put away later today, as my arms, back, and shoulders recuperate. So the each pallet had 56 60-pound bags of concrete mix on it, and that equates out to 3,340 pounds of concrete. And I had 2 pallets of that delivered, so I hefted and loaded basically 3.5 tons of concrete into that mixer, and then spread it all out. And yeah, I'm tired. Alrighty, so that's it for now. And if you like this video, please pound that thumbs up like button. If you have any friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors that might enjoy these how-to videos I do out here and stuff, share it with them. You can share it on Instagram, Facebook. Heck, you could even just copy the URL off the from the address bar up there, put it in an email, and email it to them. All right. So, as always, stay happy, stay safe,